Hello, welcome to TiTop 10 channel. In this video, we will introduce you top 10 of the best case for PC. If you are looking to buy a quality case for game, work or anything else, watch this video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 1 is Corsair IQ5000X. The IQ5000X is one of the company's case that, along with attractive specifications and features, comes with a beautiful and very eye-catching design. Undoubtedly, the visual beauty of a case can also be one of the main features to buy. The IQ5000X also gives the case a very attractive visual beauty due to the use of RGB lighting. The use of steel material, in addition to beautiful appearance, has a very high impact on the cooling mechanism of this case. Compared to some cases on the market, this case carries a not so light weight of 13.84 kg, which indicates the quality of the material considered in the construction. The fans for this case, in addition to attractive visual beauty, thanks to RGB lighting, will have a very good cooling ability, and the mechanism and design of the airflow has also had a very high impact in this area. Number 2 is Fractal design Meshific C. It is extremely rare to see any PC case that even vaguely resembles the Fractal design Meshific C. Given that the front of the case is entirely made of a mesh material sectioned off into an array of polygonal shapes, the Meshific C has a unique style without compromising on function. With two fans pre-installed, cooling is a breeze, even if the Meshific C is held back by a number of obstacles. Number 3 is Noctua Deep Silence 4. After removing the upper two HDD cases, you can fit a water cooling solution with a 120mm radiator behind the front. All openings in the motherboard tray are fitted with rubber guards. The Deep Silence 4 is fully soundproofed. Features like the decoupled mounting of PSU and hard disk drives, as well as anti-vibration case fit, are part of the sound insulation concept as well. By using the highest quality materials, optimal noise insulation is ensured while providing a very stable case. Number 4 is NZXT H200i. Every single day Mini ITX gets more popular and closer to toppling Micro ATX, and it makes sense. NZXT's new H series case line managed to integrate a ton of the same features as its Micro ATX and mid-tower equivalents, with mesmerizing built-in and smart device controlled RGB lighting and an adaptive noise sensor that sees improvement only by way of the Grid Plus V3 fan controller. Number 5 is Phanteks Evolve Shift X. When you first look at the Phanteks Evolve Shift X, it looks more like a soundbar than one of the best PC cases, but this helps it vanish into any living area or a studio setup. It's flexible to the point that it looks natural placed under a TV as it does on a desk, next to one of the best gaming monitors. It may only be compatible with a Mini ITX motherboard, but the Phanteks Evolve Shift X offers tons of space for component and liquid cooling loops. Number 6 is Cooler Master H500p Mesh. H500p mesh cooler case has a special beauty with a steel body at the same time. A special design and the use of beautiful panels help a lot of beautify the environment inside the case. Suitable space for cold management and the possibility of installing large fans inside the case are also good features of this case. Anti-vibration pads not only reduce the ambient sound of the case, but also provide excellent airflow under the case. The design of the front panel of the case is in the form of a mesh, which when combined with large 200mm fans provides unparalleled cooling. The front panel of the case also has a very high port variety. There are two USB 3 ports, two USB 2 ports, audio and microphone jacks, and fan control buttons that make up the front ports of this case. Number 7 is Corsair Carbide series. The front panel of the case has a 4-piece mesh design. The 3 areas of the front panel have open vents for air to pass through. Corsair already has a 120mm fan with LED lighting in the front panel that blows fresh air into the case. However, it is possible to install 5 other fans, including 2 120 or 140mm fans on the front panel, 2 120mm fans on the floor, and a 120mm fan on the back of the case. This case supports motherboards made in any form of ATX, MATX, or Mini ITX invoices. Number 8 is Antek Cube. The Antek Cube is without a doubt the best PC case for you Razer fans out there. While Razer hasn't made its own desktop PC, you can build a Mini ITX gaming PC, pretending it's a Razer product. You see Antek partnered with Razer to bring its signature green infused flare to the Cube, a small form factor chassis, complete with a deceptively high amount of space for future expansion. The Antek Cube is also compact enough to travel with. Number 9 is Dermaltec Core W200. The Dermaltec Core W200 might not be the chipset, but it may just be what you need if you need a piece of kit with all necessary trimmings while still having more than enough room to expand in the future. This super tower has room for more than 20 drive trays and up to 10 expansion slots, more than enough to technically have 2 PCs in it. And if that doesn't seem versatile enough for you, it also has dismantleable modular design boosting removable drive racks and freely interchangeable SSD HDD sections. Number 10 is Cooler Master HAF700 EVO. Cooler Master's HAF700 EVO packs in loads of unique features like an edge-lit RGB glass grille front with a circular LCD display, an infinity mirror to hide ugly bits of the interior while showing off your pretty components, and 5 front USB ports. There's also room for up to 12 drives and eATX server class motherboards, plus clearance for the largest graphics card and coolers. Thanks for watching this video. If you are looking for other products, subscribe to our channel and watch the rest of the videos.